Hi friends, good morning. Today there is a huge gathering of world leaders at the Bharat Mandapam where the AI Summit Impact Summit is taking place. And we saw President Emmanuel Macron speaking, and later on the Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, and also the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Now we have to look this AI Impact Summit from different angles. One is, of course, the technology and the related things like employment and things like that. But we have to also see the geopolitical angle of this summit. Now, this summit is definitely going to have a big effect on two things. One is, of course, US, and the other thing that many people will be missing is how this impacts Russia. I mean Russia-India relationship. See, India is having good relationship with both France and Russia. Both have been time tested. Both have been very reliable. And as the American sanctions on Russia increases and constrains India, so France offers itself as a better partner. So we have to see how India balances this relationship between France and India. Of course, France will also try to pitch more itself for an Indian partnership because it gets a lot of business out of India. Russia also used to get a lot of business from India. This is what is going to happen in the future as India and France becomes closer. So Russia may get slightly uncomfortable, and that our policymakers have to be really watchful so that Russia is kept under good mood always. And we have to find out other options besides oil and defense so that the relationship between Russia and India keeps on growing. That is very important. The other thing this summit will have, other effect this summit will have, will be on America, as America will be watching it very closely and will be very uncomfortable. So let's see.
दे रहा है उसकी डेप्थ और डाइवर्सिटी का भी प्रतिबिंब है। साथियों, भारत सेमीकंडक्टर और चिप मेकिंग से लेकर क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग तक एक रिजिलियंट इकोसिस्टम बना रहा है। सिक्योर डेटा सेंटर्स, मजबूत आईटी बैकबोन, डायनेमिक स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम भारत को एफोर्डेबल, स्केलेबल और सिक्योर एआई सॉल्यूशंस का नेचुरल हब बनाते हैं। भारत के पास डाइवर्सिटी भी है, डेमोग्राफी भी है और डेमोक्रेसी भी है। जो एआई मॉडल भारत में सक्सीड करता है वो ग्लोबली डिप्लॉय हो सकता है। इसलिए मैं आप सभी को आमंत्रित करता हूं, डिजाइन एंड डेवलप इन इंडिया, डिलीवर टू द वर्ल्ड। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
Honorable Prime Minister, for your guiding words. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, is a visionary leader who envisions that progress should uplift every citizen and leave no one behind. And reflecting his vision, the address of the Honorable Prime Minister was presented in sign language live through artificial intelligence, marking a significant step towards accessibility and inclusivity.